time for my ship to come in. Yeah, I've been waiting a long, long, long time for my ship to come in. Yeah, I got so tired of waiting, I learned how to swim. Sometimes the ocean is calm, sometimes the water gets rough. Sometimes the ocean is calm, sometimes the water gets rough. Just got to float and relax until the storm's had enough. I've been begging and pleading, living under that shadow of doubt. I've been kicking and screaming, thrashing round, you know I nearly drowned. I nearly drowned. Surrender is easy when you got no choice. I said surrender is easy, baby, when you got no choice. Like when you see someone suffer, you got to raise up your voice, raise your voice, raise your voice, raise your voice, raise your voice. time for my ship to come in. Yeah, I've been waiting a long, long, long time for my ship to come in. I got so tired of waiting, I learned how to swim. I got so tired of waiting, I learned how to swim. I got so tired of waiting, I learned how to swim. That's Mr. Andy Cassat on the guitar, and Mr. Matt Spencer on the bass, and Mr. Nick Kirby on the drums.